Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write GitHub workflow. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In this main page, in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for an account that we need. If you don't already have one, because we need an account, you can go and create one. If not, you can just log in normally, and after that, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. And this is the homepage where you can go and manage our repositories that we have. We have our homepage with our home icon, projects, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how do we manage and write workflows? Here, as you can see in the documents page of GitHub, we can see how to get started managing workflows for our repositories. Basically guys, this shows us how to go ahead and add a workflow that demonstrates some of the essential features of GitHub Actions and how we can use those templates. So you can even go ahead and get started using workflow templates that other people have created. So how do you go ahead and use them? Basically, you're going to go ahead into the Actions tab. So by opening up your repository right here, we can go into the Actions tab. So by clicking Actions, it's going to enable you to open up the Actions tab, and then you can go ahead and click Workflow. So if you already have a new workflow, you can just click New Workflow. If not, then you can go ahead and create a new one. So basically guys, here we have our actions options and all workflows that we can use. So basically, if you have any workflows, you can go and see them after you start your actions right here, and you'll be able to see all the actions that have been happening using the workflows right here in the actions tab. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you can thank you for watching. Take care and bye.